With today's fast-growing pace of e-commerce market, we still see so many fashion brands and retailers struggling with overproduction and long production lead time. That is why we invent Inflow integrated solutions to provide brands of all sizes a competitive edge with our AI fashion trend forecasting tool and an agile on-demand manufacturing model. We empower brands to react faster to sell, understand real-time consumer trends, and reduce inventory pressure. By collecting and analyzing millions of products across the internet, our AI-powered tool offers full visibility of what products performing well. Get visibility into the hottest trend in styles, colors, and materials to create the products consumers crave. Best-selling items. Pinpoint the products driving the most demand with sales data from performance designs globally. Pricing understanding. Accurately assess product value within the market to optimize manufacturing cost strategy. Customer reviews. Our powerful AI tool scans through customer reviews on each SKUs to help you improve product development and serve customers better. We help your brands utilize these actionable insights to optimize demand planning, inventory management, and product development. We don't just stop at showing what's trending, we're with you in every step to make it happen. Inflow's agile on-demand manufacturing system empowers you to transform trends into reality. Our extensive network of high-quality Vietnamese suppliers offer unmatched quality and speed, with MOQ starting at just 100 pieces and production time as fast as 30 days. By combining data-driven insights with a responsive supply chain, we help you react faster to market change, reduce time to market, and minimize your environmental footprint. We are proud to be a Vietnam-first company pioneering a unique AI-powered production software that offers brands of all sizes an unbeatable advantage. Now with Inflow, you can produce what consumer needs more accurately and efficiently. Schedule a demo with us today.